What up, Jeff here, though, my Bitcoin Renegades. And today I'm going to kind of be taking it easy because my throat hurts and my voice because I was screaming when one of the times Bitcoin went up, or when AMP went up, or when one of the cryptos went up. I got a little overexcited, and then maybe I got a little mad, so my voice hurts right now. My neck especially. Ooh, the right side. That's really tender right there. It's been hurting for like 3 days, so I hope I didn't damage anything. But we will continue doing videos because it doesn't hurt bad enough. I mean, every time I talk now, I can feel it kind of aches. But look at this inverse head and shoulders pattern right here. It's playing out almost perfectly. And now, actually, I would even say, let's get rid of this one and make a better one, a better new one, right, Cha. So basically, right here now. Yeah. So even that doesn't look that great. Booyah. There we go. A little better, a little better, a little better. And then we can just, kind of look at this. Yeah, inverse head and shoulder. There's the head, there's a shoulder, there's a shoulder. So if we break above this neckline here, we are good and golden. So that's what we're going to want to do. We got to keep an eye on that. If we break above the $50,000 level, 50,100, 50,200, we are good to go. So we don't even have to break all the way up to 50,500 up here. We just have to break the neckline. So that's only, 50,000-ish. So we only have about 1,000 more to go. We're at 48.9. It was just at 49 a second ago. It really was. Look here, 49,180, 49,273. So we are down below it, but I think we'll keep going up. And look how far we are above the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour. Let's see if we see the inverse in the daily. Can we see the inverse head and shoulders in the daily? Not the minute chart. The daily. Oh yeah, you can see it in the daily too. Not as clear, but it's there for sure. Inverse head and shoulders. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bang bang. Pretty cool, huh? So on the daily, we're at 63 on the RSI. So we're not oversold. We have a lot of room left to go. So let's take that. Let's blast out above the neckline and let's show Bitcoin what the next part of the bull rally looks like. It's definitely looking good for everything, guys. So that's why in some of my videos, I do a lot of different looking at different kind of prices, which we're going to do tonight. This is just a video to update you on Bitcoin and the inverse head and shoulders pattern. That's probably what this video is going to be called. We need to break that neckline of that inverse head and shoulder. Critical resistance level right there. And if we can break through that, things are looking good. It was 273 yesterday. Let's look what it is today. No way. Is it at 273 again still? It is. Wow, Cardano's holding its strong, its strength. It is. It's it's back. It's lifting with its leg. So it's not, hurting his back too bad. So let's look at AMP. What's AMP doing compared to yesterday? Oh, we're actually up a little bit from yesterday. Not a lot, but we haven't dropped back down to 580. So we're still at 61. Hopefully we don't go down to 58 and it goes back up to 90. We want this to be a 1, we want this to be a 2, but we'll take this to be a 9. No greed over here. Let's see if there's a resistance level. Let's look at like the monthly chart and see what the resistance level's looking like on AMP. And then I kind of want to look at Cardano's resistance too to see what we're looking at there. Okay, definite resistance right here at about 62 cents, right? This one went all the way up to, well, 62.47. Hold on, is that the exact same amount? 62.51. Okay, almost the same amount. 62.57, 62.47. Oh, 62.72. So yeah, with this 62, if we can get above 63, 6 cents and then a third of a cent there, we'll be good to go. Then we break the resistance. This looks like a head and shoulders pattern right here, though. The head and then the shoulders. So if this breaks the neckline down here, which will be at 590, yeah, at about 580, 590 right here. This neckline, if it breaks that, well, you can't really show that a lot. Ooh, what did I just do there? I zoomed in, I would imagine. Ooh, it's going to let me zoom in even further. How do I zoom back out, though? That's the thing. Oops, not what I wanted to do. Oh, well. Yeah, see, it's going down even more now. Dang. 61.12. Ooh, now it's going up a little. But Cardano, let's go look at the chart. I want to see what the resistance levels are for Cardano, not on the year chart either. Let's look at the monthly for Cardano. Okay. Yeah, it was a gradual climb. So, I mean, Cardano didn't just go straight up, but it went up kind of fast just for days at a time, right? And look at all that volume. So I would definitely say that, the resistance levels up here at 290-ish. Yeah, 292. So, and now there's a definite resistance at like 280. So 280, if we can get above 280, then Cardano might try for a new all-time high, guys. We're having lower lows though, and lower highs. See, that's the thing. So it started to go down now. That's the problem. But could we go down? The volume hasn't been decreasing though. That's the thing. So are people buying or selling? Um, that's the question right there. So if they're still accumulating at these levels, then we might just reset for another blast off to another all-time high for Cardano. The crypto fear and greed index is still an hour short of the new one, so we're still on 73 and 79, even though we're probably lower. Actually, we might be a little higher today than yesterday. Things just starting to turn around. Bitcoin's back almost to 49,000. XRP. Let's see what it did in the ascending triangle. Look, it's like right on that ascending triangle right there. So this is clear resistance right here at the bottom. So, and it still leads to an ascending triangle too. So no matter which way you look at it, whether you go down here or if you go up here, we have an ascending triangle. And hopefully if we break to the upside, even going to the upside of this is good. So unless we break to the downside of this ascending triangle, we're probably going to hit at least the top of here, which is like in the 120s. So I'm thinking like even a short-term trader, could make some money off of XRP if it starts going up. That would be a risk you would have to take. If you see it start to go down below this, it could go all the way down here to 93 cents, which is 22 cents away. So just keep an eye on this. You can go to Bitstamp TradeView yourself. All you have to do is click on this little line right here, make a line right there, and then bring it out to there, and then make a line right here and bring it out to there. And then you can have the same thing on your page. And then you can just keep an eye on that. And if it breaks to either side, you guys can, act accordingly, right? That's what we do. We keep an eye on these things. So if they break one way or another, we can show, hey, look, and the volume is still big in XRP. It has gone down though. But Bitcoin is definitely my favorite pattern right now. We have this inverse head and shoulders that is just going to catapult us to some extremely fun levels. So, inverse head and shoulders all day, baby. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.